I'll stick in.
Did you know our blue dragons actually have a third eye? Now it's time to fill the fridge.
The first one I'm gonna put in. I'm just gonna go on the side.
You're going that side and do it?
These eggs.
Yes, the eggs are so good.
You guys are really excited about these eggs.
Here, you should put them
Look at
on
Rose.
that. Here, on here.
Cora, look at Rose. Look at she's near to color their hair.
Hi. Hi. Oh.
Okay, I put the eggs in. Now Pizza Hut. I'll stick in.
Did you know our blue dragons actually have a third eye?
That's a super cool fact.
Yep, they have a third eye to detect birds if they're flying over them. It detects shadows. So if I put my finger over it or if I touch it with my finger, she gets sensed